Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to dive into interesting problem from LeetCode number 1717. Call it maximum score from removing substrings. So let's look at our description. We are given a string s and two integers x and y. We can perform two types of operation any number of times. Remove the substring AB and gain x points, or remove the substring bar and gain y points. Our goal is to return the maximum points we can gain after applying this operation. So here we have an example with a string with x and y and output 19. It's very simple. If we have this, we need to determine the maximum score we can achieve. So first we removing bar, thanks it's y is greater than x. After it we gain 5 points as string become shorter. If we continue each step, next we remove AB from the string and gain 4 points. Then we remove bar twice and each time gain 5 points, and then we have 19 points. Now let's look at our code solution that we will implement it. First of all, we will create the variables to store information and destruction the substring to place back to the score. So first of all we will make score which will be equal to 0, then we make stuff which will be string array, then we make new stack is also string. After it we make structuring max low, max score, low score be equal to x more than y, and make instruction of AB then x, y, and y, AB, y, x. After we will make a for loop to prioritize removing the high score of substring. For it we'll use let of char of s, our string, then we will use if statement and use stack then that should be more than 0, and stack be stack length -1, then plus char which should be equal max. After it we will remove the last charter from the stack using pop method, using stack pop, then we add to the score the prioritized substring, it will be max score. After it we make our statement to push the current charter on the stack. We use a push method and use char. Stack char. Second we go to the next phase when we remove the remaining lower score substring. We will also use for loop with let char of stack, then we use if statement, use new stack length, it should be more than 0, and new stack length -1 plus char, it should be equal to low. After it, we make the same movement of removing the last character and adding the score from any substrings. So we use new stack with pop method, then we use score, which should be updated by low score, else use new stack and push char to push the current character on the new stack. And finally we return score. So let's run it. And make some typo here. Let's check. If new stack. That looks correct. And why it didn't accept it? New stack equal. Interesting. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot that. Here of array and run. Let's see it's passed and submit. It's 100%. So first we determine which substrings to protect based on the score. Then we use a stack to process the string and remove the protected substring. After that, we process the remaining character to remove the other substring. And that's how we solve the problem. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.